Today we have demonstrated KNL wideband HF system to the Norwegian Defense Forces here in beautiful Norway. We demonstrated the three most important things of our system: reliability, capability, and ease of use.
So the reason why we're showing the HF technology to the Norwegian Armed Forces is that HF is the only technology that makes you able to communicate over very long distances beyond line of sight without any underlying infrastructure. So no SATCOM, basically you don't need any power, you only need batteries and potentially global reach.
Today we are here at the basic training field at Rena in Norway. Here we are working together with the Norwegian Armed Forces Research Institute and our KNL radio provider. We're testing out new, exciting HF technology that is of use for the Norwegian Armed Forces. We have been introduced today to several of the different user groups that could have a good use of this technology. And we think this is a really good example of the way we, as an industry partner, works together with the defense sector.